Hi, fifth grade. It's Miss Phillips. Today is Monday, and we're going to talk about place value. So I'm going to actually upload a anchor chart onto Google Classroom to kind of remind you about the different skills that we're going to work with today. And I'm going to work a couple problems with you on the board behind me. I'm on the document camera, and then you will be responsible for finishing the last few on your own and turning them into Google Classroom. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to work with this number right here. And the first thing I want to do is read the number out loud. So my number is 6,547. And I'm going to write it first in word form. If I said it out loud, it makes it easier for me to write exactly what I said. So my first number was 6,000. I put a comma after 1,000, just like I put a comma after the number 6. 547. 47 gets a hyphen in between there because it's a two-digit number, greater than 20. Now I'm going to write the same number in expanded form. Remember, we look at our place value to help us write our expanded form, and I'm going to start at the largest place value in the number. So I have a 6 in the thousands place. 6,000s would be 6,000 plus, I have a 5 in the hundreds place. 500s would be 500 plus a 4 in the tens place. 4 tens is 40 plus 7 ones. So I have 6,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7 for my expanded form. And then the last thing we're going to do on our chart is round this number to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to come over here to my number and underline the number in the hundreds place, which is a 5. So that means that this would be 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So I'm thinking it's either going to round up to 600 or it's going to stay 500. Well, 547 is closer to 500 than 600. So I'm going to stay at 500 when I round. Okay, we're going to do one more together. So this time, remember, first thing I'm going to do is read my number. 23,517. I'm going to write that using words just like I read it. 23, putting that hyphen in there because it's a two-digit number greater than 20. 23,000. Put my comma after 1,000 because I have a comma right there. 517. Okay, now I'm going to move over and do my expanded form just like we did with this one. Start at my largest place value. That's a 2 in the 10,000s place. So 2 10,000s would be 20,000 plus 3,000s, 3,000 plus 500s would be 500 plus 110 would be 10 plus 17 would be 7. So 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7 is my expanded form. And then I'm going to come over here and underline my number in my hundreds place. 517, is that closer to 500 or 600? It's closer to 500. So I'm going to make it a 500 there. Hey, you are responsible for doing the bottom 3 on the Google slide on Google Classroom and then turning it in.